Let's do a simple actor system. For this, we're going to create a node project. So let's do an npm init. We don't care about most of these things, so we'll do it as the default one. And like we said, there's an index.js. Let's create an index.js. Now, in our package JSON, we can create a start script and just put node. For this, now we have a starting point to actually create our first actor system. So, first of all, let's install Tarant. For this, we need to do an npm install Tarant, and this will install our dependencies. Now, let's start implementation of our Tarant package. For this, we're going to have to implement a class. Let's call this a pinger, and this is going to extend our actor class from Tarant. Now with this, we just need to create a constructor that is going to initialize the parent class and anything that is actually required for this class. And we're going to have a ping method that is just going to do a console log. This is a simple actor made in Tarant. Now we're going to add this actor to a system. So let's just do that. So let's say we have an actor system, and this is going to be our default actor system. And we can just add our finger instance to our actor system by just doing actor off. This will try to resolve an existing actor that we're asking them for, or instantiate a new one. In this case, we're going to create a new one. Last but not least, we're going to do a finger.ping to send a message. So this is important. We're sending a message, and the message is not just directly calling this this function. This is being called in an asynchronous way and is basically through the actor system. And last but not least, let's free uh, our actor system. And let's do an npm start, and we see the ping. Simple. Nope. Now let's take it one step forward. Let's do a class hunger that extends from our same actor. We'll just need to initialize again, and we can do not a ping or a honk. And we can actually initialize this with sending one to the other. So let's give it a who's going to answer to. So now let's say to dot ping, and it's going to send themselves. And let's do the same here. This is going to call the pong. So this is going to do pong. So they can call each other. So how do we do this? We should initialize now our ponger. And we're going to do pinger ping ponger. And this is going to start calling each of them. If we do this, it's going to go very fast. So if we do npm start, if we do npm start with the correct string, it's going to be doing ping and pong. But again, like I told you, this actually is called in an async in order way. So we can always do some sleeping in between, and that will not mean that we're going to be waiting all the time for it. That is going to be unorganized. So let's do that. So let's do this async. You can see it's going to be waiting for those messages to go out. So this is how you have a few actors in an actor system that communicate in between different actors. Hope you like it. Any feedback is welcome. Thank you, and looking forward to see you in the next video.